Ugh, I can't believe I broke my arm all because of a stupid book bag. Ugh. I broke my arm and my shoulder. And my doctor says that I have to keep it in a sling for 4 weeks. And then I've got to put it in a cast for 6 weeks. And then I've got to lie in bed for 3 days when the cast gets off. And a bunch of other crazy stuff. All because of a stupid book bag. And I'm so angry about it, I could scream and bash it into pieces. Ugh.
Stop trying to find ways to make your suitcase close or your backpack lighter and start believing that it's impossible.
Hey, I guess that's right. It is impossible. Goodbye, book bag. Goodbye, sling. And goodbye, school. I'm Sasha Godfrey, and I wrote the script for the skit. And I was also the person in the background.
And I am the person that read our skit, was the actress standing up this close to the screen.